Good afternoon, it's Wag Chicago. It's the third day of January. Year's 22, they tell you. Check this garbage out. Is this Mandela effect? I don't remember ever seeing this. Maybe I'm retarded. PB2. See how this works? Powdered peanut butter. See how this works? You're gonna eat bugs. And like, I've never seen this in my life, have you? Over at Woodmans. 90% less fat than traditional peanut butter. You trust the FDA? Or who's this garbage? USDA? You don't think they're bought and sold too? Powdered nut butter. See how that works? I held one. This is like Elon Musk space food or something from Mars. See how that works? I wouldn't eat this garbage. Be creative. I am. Trying to be. Vegetable and easy to... Hang on. Vegetables. I'm thinking of that garbage food. Versatile and easy to use. Bake, blend, and mix. That sounds like Bring Back Better, doesn't it? PB2 can be reconstituted with any liquid of choice.
Papa?
Hang on. Water, juices, icky, sticky fluids. You can make shakes.
Papa.
I gotta look this up. I've never heard of powdered. What, John? Hang on. Mix 2 tablespoons of PB2 with 1.5 tablespoons of water. Mix and stir until smooth. What is this made out of? If it's 90% less fat than peanut butter, what's it made out of? Like when they start removing fat from food, like those fat-free foods, they're usually not good for you, according to what I've ever read. Not saying whether this is good for you or not. I don't even know if this is real. This could be Mandela garbage. Roasted peanuts. Sorry, I'm reading my screen. Sugar and salt. Contains peanuts. Well, that's a good sign. See that? So it does have some peanuts in it. It's made in California, of course. Rich in taste. Easy to enjoy with your bugs. Product. See, one garbage product we make in America. See how that works? I thought I'm living in the Twilight Zone. Holy cow. I wonder why they're getting powdered fucking peanut butter. See how this works? Think there's a reason? I don't know. Empty socket or socket pockets. I just been through the whole side. I wasn't gonna make a video until I saw this garbage. Here's the regular peanut butter, a little light. See how that works? See how that works. So when you run out of this real peanut butter, you're gonna get the New World Order peanut butter made out of powdered bugs. It didn't tell you what it's made out of. It said there has some peanuts in it, though. That's a good sign. Here's your cereals. Oh, this must be the good section. Hang on. What, Johnny? We teamed up to go shopping today. See how that works? Alright, I'll be back. This is Wag Chicago. This time I got food in the cart. It's been a while since I did the soap pile on this right here. These are your cascades. A little light. I got my producer with me tonight. See how that works?
Papa.
Hang on. I'm making a recording. Hang on one second. Look at this garbage.
Papa.
Huh? Oh, look at this side. See how that works? Hey, John, what do I say all the time? See what?
You see, that looks like garbage.
I said garbage? No way.
Yeah,
Oh, freaking hilarious. So anyways. I don't know what I was going to say. I'm still thinking about this powdered peanut butter garbage. See how that works? And then here's our dish soaps. I bet you this garbage comes from China too. Finish with the tea. They got a good variety of tea, but they're light. See how that is? And hot chocolates. I think I got to get one actually, by the way. Glad I came over. The Ovaltines. Coffee shells a little light there, huh? $7.50 for a little can. These are half the size of the normal ones, by the way. $8.99 for that Hills Brother. That's a normal size can right there. That one there. That would be the old days. $8.99 for the normal size can. The old days. These are the new half. They're making them the same price. They're then $7, but you're getting how many ounces are in here? Got I don't have my glasses. Well, it doesn't matter. They're half the size. Way Chicago. Those are those single pack things. See how this is? $17.99 for 32 little K cups, or whatever the generic ones are. Just checking on the oils. This has gone up like 40-50% in price recently because you don't have hyperinflation. You see how that works? But your salts, think about this when you're getting your food ready for 6 months worth of food. You're gonna need salt, sugar, baking soda. Because you're gonna wanna make Christmas cookies and stuff for your kids. See how that works? Or a birthday cake, you know, when that comes up. Because you ain't gonna be able to get it in the store. So you're gonna wanna have those kind of treats once in a while. This is all coming, whether you like it or not. Here's some big bags of flour. Some people are doing the 5-gallon buckets. I hear those are going for 20 bucks a piece now. They used to be $5. So that's a good way to store your food. See, now this place has got sugar. The other stores didn't have sugar. So I don't know how this is coming in waves like that, but up here, the smaller ones, they don't have. It's so spotty lately with this stuff. Get your food. You'll get your beans down here too. You're gonna need beans, it's good energy. Beans, rice, and then get a little bit of chicken or something to put on it. This section has some good beans still too. Can-wise, a little low, but...
Papa!
What?
We have to go.
Okay, let's go.
Papa!
What? I gotta go.
Look it.
Oh yeah, that's what he's looking at. Kids are awesome. All right, this is Way Chicago.
Papa.
Get food for your kids.